It is the 2012 NAB show. Hello again, everyone. I'm Tyler Pyburn of the Pulse Network of thepulsenetwork.com. We're talking about the great content shift happening across the industry right now. And right now, we're actually talking with Chris Black of Vizrt, and he's joining us right now from Norway. Welcome in, Chris. How are you doing today?
All right, I'm doing all right. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. So right now, as we get into this, as we've been talking to everybody, the conversation keeps coming up, and it's been focusing around multi-platform and distribution. Kind of talk a little bit about, multi-platform, because we're sending to so many different devices right now.
Absolutely. And this is the biggest thing right now is everybody has a device in their pocket. They have their TVs, they have their computers, they have tablets. So there's all these different devices that you have to be able to distribute to. And so that's why everybody's thinking about this. Television stations are thinking about it, the online news organizations are thinking about this, newspapers are thinking about this. So it's a huge topic that is something that everybody must address.
And it seems like it's a painful process almost, but tell me a little about some of the things that you guys are actually doing in this space to make it seamless, if you will.
Sure. We have a product called the Viz Media Engine, and it is a full workflow that you're dealing with. And a piece of this system is the actual distribution to multiple devices. And the way to make this easy for everyone is we've set up a system that allows you to transcode automatically all of your content to the various different device types. And then we use a form of device detection that will recognize what device that you are using and send you the content that you need for your specific device. And not only are we able to recognize the device that you're working with, but we're able to transcode our graphics because we are a graphics company. We're able to add different kinds of graphic so you have the same content but a different graphic format so that the content is always clear with the right video sizes and it's all transcoded automatically for the individual devices.
Chris, one of the things that has continued to come up, you say automatically. Talk about the importance right there of things like automation, because right now when everyone's talking about this and the process, a lot of it needs to be automated.
It does have to be automated. When you are publishing a piece of video, if you're an editor and you want to publish a piece of video to go to the web, you don't want to have to think about, okay, well, I have to publish it in this format to go online, this format to go to an iPhone, this format to go to an Android device. You want to just publish it to a single point and then have the rest of the system automated. And this is a lot of what happens in the background when you're setting up these systems. And so when you are setting up the system, you are building in these formats. And then daily, as new devices come up, an engineer can go in here and set up a new format. So once an editor says, okay, I'm done with my story, I've got everything edited the way I like it, save. And at that point, it gets transcoded and published to all these different formats. And depending on the device that you're using, the device detection is going to send you the format that you need.
That's one of those things he mentioned right there. Technology continues to change. So many new devices continue coming up. Really is an interesting time for sure. All right, for Chris Black, I am Tyler Pyburn of the Pulse Network. It's been another conversation leading up to the 2012 NAB show.